Hey team, I'm just making like a test video to see if we can get it working through GitHub. By the way, I'm Tim, plus 21 on the Discord. It's a bit weird to present myself to random people, but okay. So I'll share it again, like my link to a project. It's just like, so this can be the project we are working on later. This is one of mine. So basically, so if you land on my profile, you can just head to the repositories here. You go to the project name that we will have, like this one, for example, and this is a full project. So here you go to the code, you click, and here you do download zip. This will start the download, and I will cut the video because it's like a 1.5 gigabyte download. Okay, so after the download, you have this folder. So you just extract it, and wherever, like it's just a zip file. And here you have to trust me that there's no virus, but I tell you, I did my best to not put anything weird in there. So it's just unzipping. Let's wait for this one. All right, so it's coming to an end. Here we are. So then you have your folder. Here you open the name of the folder. This one's you ignore. So here, what you have to do, there's one extra step. So there should be everything, like in the content, you have all the assets and the folders of the project. And the one thing we have to do is on the Unreal project, we right click, we do show more options and generate Visual Studio project files. So I don't know if you need to have Visual Studio installed on your computer. I think not, but because it will just generate a file. So you click on there, it's gonna do process of creating like the source code file, basically, like the project source code file, and it's going to link it to the Unreal project. So let's wait for this one. All right, so now we have our SLN, which is our project file code, but we can just ignore it. And then, so we can either launch the game from here, like just double click. It's going to ask us to rebuild because it hasn't detected like our solution yet. So you do yes. And now it's going to use this file to actually like make the project from the code. And hopefully, hopefully it will work. So we'll see. Like it should be working fine. Let's give it a like. It needs some time to build everything. It's normal because it's like compiling now. But yeah, it should be working. So depending on your computer, this can take like some time. Like I have a good processor on this computer. It can take like 10, 15 minutes to compile. Okay, so don't worry. And then it's gonna open the project, and from here, like you can just hit play, and you should be inside the project. Everything by the team. Okay. So for me, it's working, but let's see if it works with all the assets and everything. All right. Yeah, that was it. Hopefully it works for you as well. Bye.